my dear students, welcome back to my channel, Civil Tips and Tricks for Civil Engineers. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സിന് മാത്രമല്ല റിന്യൂവബിൾ എനർജി സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെ കൂടെയാണ് ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തൊട്ടടുത്ത ബെൽ ബട്ടണിൽ ഓൾ കൂടെ പ്രസ് ചെയ്താൽ ഞാൻ എഴുതുന്ന എല്ലാ വീഡിയോസും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് നേരെ റിന്യൂവബിൾ എനർജിയുടെ എന്താ പറയുക advanced energy materials. Okay, today I am going to discuss about design and fermentation. Okay, design some parts I had already taken. Vg2 is the gas holder volume 2. Okay, Gc max is the maximum gas rate of gas consumption in meter cube per day. Tc max is the maximum time of gas consumption in days. G is the daily gas production rate in meter cube per day. TC0 is the maximum time of zero gas consumption in days. Final gas holder volume is calculated by using largest of Vg1 and Vg2 in equation 6. Vg equal to Vg max plus which is the largest, Vg1 or Vg2, which is the largest. If Vg1 is larger, that Vg max is Vg1. Okay, if Vg2 is the largest, Vg2 will be the Vmax. Okay, Vg equal to Vg max plus Vg max into 0.2. Okay, it is equation 6. Since the hemispherical design of fixed dome generator combines the generator volume with gas holder volume, the total volume of hemispherical dome can be calculated. Vh equal to Vd plus Vg, equation 7. The final part of the calculation is used to determine the required radius of the hemisphere. Okay, which the digester is digesting. Okay, so pH equal to Vd plus Vg. This is equation 7. Final part of the calculation is to determine the required radius r of the hemisphere. This is used to done in equation 8. R equal to 3Vh divided by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay. Displacement tank, the tank which is already the decomposed slurry will transport the waste there. Okay, that waste we are used for fermentation. That is a displacement tank. There are a number of different options for the design of displacement tank. The tank could be fully buried hemispherical structure, much the time as but smaller than the digester. Okay, the simple columnar tank or large open dried bed. Okay, next is the fermentation. Fermentation process, we already knows that without oxygen we are producing the useful byproduct, that is a fermentation process or useful biogas. Okay, definition is fermentation is a biochemical reaction or metabolic process in which an organism converts carbohydrates such as starch and sugar into alcohol and acid and extract energy from carbohydrate using oxygen, sugar into alcohol, and carbohydrate to lactic acid, that I had already discussed above. Okay, that picture, first class itself I had shown a picture. That picture explains that sugar is converted to alcohol and carbohydrates is converted to lactic acid. Okay, in microorganisms, the fermentation is the primary means of producing adenosine triphosphate, means ATP. Okay, by degradation of organic nutrients anaerobically. Industrial fermentation is the process of using bacteria, means we are providing microbes and bacteria to produce biogas. Okay, the large scale of production of chemicals, biofuels, enzymes, proteins, and paramaceuticals. Okay, the fermentation is also occurs when the gastrological tracts of all animals include humans. Okay, this is a simple picture which shows how the anaerobic digestion is completed. Okay, first glucose will converted to pyruvate by glucolysis. Okay, this in this process oxygen is absent. There will be two products like 2-ethanol lactate and pyruvate. Okay, this 2-ethanol lactate will fermentation. Okay, will ferment. Okay, then pyruvate will convert it to 2-acetyl CoA And in Krebs cycle, we will get carbon dioxide and this is an anaerobic respiration. Okay. Types of fermentation is on the basis of the end products formed. Fermentation can be categorized into two types. First is homo fermentation. Second is heterofermentation. Only one type of product is formed is homo fermentation. One or more than one product formation is heterofermentation. Okay, on the basis of end product formed, fermentation can be categorized as ethanol or alcohol fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, acetic acid fermentation, and butyric acid fermentation. Okay, this much only I am today. This much only I can take today's class. Next class I am going to discuss about displacement and fermentation. Okay, this I already discussed. I will discuss today. Sorry, I will discuss next class further explanation. Okay. Thank you and all the best for exams.